Hello my sewing bees, and welcome to Sookie Sews. And on this channel we talk about sewing, machine embroidery, and notion reviews. In fact, today we're going to be talking about the original and the new large easy point and turner. So let's get started. What is an easy point and turner? Well, very simply, my friends, it's designed to help you turn things right side out quickly and with professional results. There are two sizes available. There's the original, which measures 5 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall, and then the new large, which is 6 inches wide and 10.5 inches tall. Now let's talk about the parts. The handles are the exact same size for both sizes. The opening is 1 inch wide by 3 inches tall, and they fit for everyone's hands, from little to large. It has a soft, easy gripped coating, and they're easy to open and close with true screw design for easy tension control. The point locks into the groove for easy turning, and the slender point closure is wonderful for tight areas. So what does it do? First of all, it turns tubes right side out. Just to give you an example, the original can turn a tube up to 66 inches long and the large up to 78 inches long. It turns small projects right side out with small openings that your hands can't fit into. For example, eyeglass cases, pillows, and even zipper bags. It's also ideal for pointing out those corners and getting really nice crisp corners. And also, you can use the point to smooth out the curves. Now, where can you get an easy point and turner? Well, ask your local fabric shop to order them in, or click on the link in the description below. We love seeing easy point and turners in the wild, so share a picture and tag me at Sookie Sews. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.